Well, that's broken. Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the parcel shelf in a Vauxhall Corsa D using a match and gaffer tape. So, let's summarise what's wrong with this parcel shelf. Well, what's supposed to happen when we open the tailgate is that it rises automatically along with it to make it easier to access the treasures stored in the boot, which today include an empty drinks bottle, a plastic tray, and of course, a battery charger, because guess which car doesn't want to start? Yeah. Now, the reason the parcel shelf won't rise automatically is because it's become detached from this piece of string here, and this string is supposed to connect to the parcel shelf via this plastic bung on the end there, and that goes into this hole there, but that hole has become enlarged with a bit of wear and tear, so when the bung is in there, it simply falls back out, like so. Same problem on the other side. So to fix the parcel shelf, we need to figure out a way to stop the plastic bung popping out of its hole. Like that, okay? Now, there are several ways we could do this, but my favourite method for the day is to fold the piece of string roughly in half like that, and then grab a loop at the end. See that? And now we're going to poke that loop through the hole in the parcel shelf so it emerges down there. We now need the match, and luckily we have a few left in this box, but I don't think it's sensible to retain the end of the match there that could potentially catch fire if it rubs on something, so we'll just burn that off here. There we go. Hopefully it's not going to set off this smoke alarm, but we'll see. And what we'll also do is just chop the end of that match off with these very small pliers. There we go. We now need to push the match through the loop we made in the string, like so. See that? And now we need to take the plastic bung and poke it back into its hole there, and then grab the other end of the string and pull everything taut. Something like that. And that's looking pretty good, but we now need a couple of bits of gaffer tape to hold the match in position. So we'll put one piece of gaffer tape here to hold this end down where it should be. What do you reckon? Does that look all right to you? I think so. And the second piece of gaffer tape, as we might expect, can go on this end, something like that. And when the parcel shelf is back in the car and up the right way, this repair will be invisible unless we really go looking for it, which we won't. Right, how strong do you think this repair is then? Well, there's only one way to find out. We'll see if the string can support the entire weight of the parcel shelf, which it can. Easily. So all we need to do now is exactly the same repair here on the other side. Pop it back in the car and then dinner. So there's the repair on the second side of the parcel shelf, and in fact I've added a little bit of extra tape on the first side too, just to make it even stronger. So now we can pop it back in the car and double check it is actually going to work. Come on, in you go. Right, so we've got a clip under there, give that a whack. There we go. Clip on this side too, line it up, give that a whack. Connect the string that side, connect the string this side, and then perfect. And that's how to fix the parcel shelf in a Vauxhall Corsa D, and this technique also applies to many other types of car. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Now, what's for dinner?